Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show how to service a floodlight. Before that, please like and subscribe my channel for latest update. Don't forget to click bell button. Thank you. So today I am going to show how to service a floodlight, 50 watt floodlight, COB floodlight. So this is the light. You can see the ratings here. The driver capacity is 85 to 265 watt, 50 to 60 watts, and the color is cool white. Cool white, and luminous is 6500 luminous. Okay. So this is my first part of the video, and that is part 1, how to service a floodlight. I am making this into 3 parts. This part is how to service a floodlight if the driver has problem, and next I am going to show how to, next part number 2, I am going to show how to service a floodlight if LED has gone, and third part is how to assemble a new floodlight. So thanks for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Once again, I am requesting you, please subscribe my channel. So first, we can check this floodlight. This is a defective floodlight, so we can check this floodlight. See, I am going to connect this in main. See, now I am going to connect this to mains. I am going to switch on the light. You can see that. See, the light is flickering. Means the LED is good, and the driver has gone. The driver has some problem. So what we are going to do is, we have to open the driver and we have to see whether it is serviceable or it is molded driver. That we have to see. I am going to open the light. See, normally in floodlight, the drivers will be in the back side cabin of the light. So you can see that. So 4 screws will be there. You can open that 4 screws by using a screwdriver, star screwdriver. See, you can see that. See, that is a rubber packing. That should be very careful while opening. Otherwise, water will go inside. If you fix this outdoor floodlight. So see, the driver they have placed the driver in the slowly open that. See the reading in the floodlight, rating, voltage ratings in the floodlight. So you have to be very careful with the grounding and this rubber also. See, open that grounding and actually this cabin is IP65. IP65 means waterproof cabin. So that's what here also while opening you should be very careful with these things. There also one rubber will be there. Don't miss that rubber. So if you miss the rubber, water will go inside and will spoil the driver. That's what you have to be very careful while opening. You should not spoil the packing, and here also one small rubber washer will be there. That also you have to be very careful. And you can see that white color. Yeah, I'm closing that cover because the rubber should be safe if we close and keep it. See now, see the ratings of the driver. See the ratings of the driver. It is 27 to 35 volt DC and 0.65 amps max. And so see 1500 milliamps. That is 1.5 amps plus or minus. So see the ratings, and the driver is actually the driver is sealed driver, so we can't repair this driver, so we have to replace with a new driver. You can see the new driver with the same ratings, 1500 milliamps with the same ratings. Now I am going to check the thing. You can confirm it by checking the thing. Normally the flickering happens because of the driver leakage. See now, so use sleeves in the joints, that will be very reliable. Heat sink sleeves instead of insulation tape. You can also put insulation tape also, but if you put insulation tape, due to the heat, that tape will come out, so there is a chance to get short because the cover is totally cast iron. So if you put a sleeve, that won't happen. It will be safe. So see the testing how I am doing. So it will be, if you connect the wire like this, you can put the sleeve easily. Sleeve will, that particular place will go inside the sleeve very easily, the joint. So I have connected that and just solder it so that it will be totally safe. just solder it, so there won't be any loose contact. So I'm soldering that place. See, we solder the joint properly, there won't be any loose contact. Once you solder that, see, insert the sleeve inside, and the sleeve is heat shrinkable rubber sleeve. So if you apply heat, it will get shrink. See, I'm going to heat that sleeve. Once you heat the sleeve, it will shrinks, and insulation will be good. There won't be any chance of leakage or short. Not leakage, short. Same thing I'm going to do for this red color wire also. So put the sleeve inside and just twist the wire, and insert the sleeve, just twist the wire. See, after see the twisting how I am doing. Twist the wire, and put the sleeve, and then heat it up. See, after soldering, you can insert the sleeve. After soldering, you can see. After soldering, you can put a sleeve, and if you want more safe, you can first you can before putting the sleeve after soldering, you can put a layer of insulation tape. You can wind it in insulation tape. After that, you can put a sleeve on that insulation tape, and you can heat it up. So it will be totally safe. So for two options I have shown you, either both option you can see. The second option will be total safe. So there won't be any chance for short of this thing. So if anything happen means it won't get short, because one layer insulation tape. After that, I put a sleeve and I'm heating it up. You can see that. And now you can just connect the ground. Before connecting the ground, you can put the wire inside. Hold this main line, which is coming out for supply. That can set the main line. See how much length you want. You can set that. So, and you can see the rubber. This is a rubber, waterproof rubber. So while opening, you should be very careful that you should not miss the rubber. So if you miss the rubber, the water will go inside while in the rainy season. So that you have to be very careful with this rubber. After this, tight the lid. Tight the now. Make sure that is full tight, so the wire won't come in. And next you have to connect the ground. That also you have to be very careful. These must and should, you have to connect the ground. Otherwise, driver, any small voltage fluctuation, the driver will go. So before that, I am just pasting the driver on the inside in the cover by using a double tape. See, now they have pasted by some paste. I am using a double tape to stick the driver in the cover. So double tape will be more easy. Why you want to stick the driver. The driver is very small and the area is very huge. And if the driver, if you won't stick the driver, while taking, the driver will get shake inside. So due to that, something can happen to the driver, because it's an electronic circuit and so many components get soldered there. So that there is a chance to damage the soldering. That's what. So after that, you have to fix the rubber properly. Before that, you have to fix the rubber. Before that, you have to after connecting the ground, you have to fix the driver. After connecting the ground, you have to close the back cover. After close it tightly, make sure the rubber is properly fixed on the groove of that cover. So after fixing this, you can just check the light, the mains power. See, the light is glowing. See, the light is glowing. So this, because normally the flickering problem is there, means the problem is with the driver. So the light is working fine. Make sure the front cover is full tight or tight the cover. If there is any loose, please tight the cover. So in this light there is little loose it was, and one more. So thanks for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe my channel for latest update. Don't forget to select the bell button. Thank you. Bye.